Ni hao. And this one is another single whip. But this one is single whip to the left. And before we learned the single whip to the right, and now we're doing the left. And about the same, actually exactly same move, but opposite way. Let me just show you the move. And we're ending up the cloud hands to the right. So the hands pull down. So as you see, just opposite. It should be easier for you, because if you forget how to do one side, you just remember the other and just try to do opposite way. That's all. So, and you, the end, your cloud hand to the right. So 2 hands come down, pick up the right foot, and step forward, circle, and push, hook, turn, step, and park the hands. So, as you see, I would like to mention about the footwork. Every time when you move, you always move your foot, either pull in a little or adjust your heels to get to your comfortable position, and do not twist yourself. Okay, let's do that again. So when the hands come down, that the foot come up, pick up, and step out. See, when I turn, my back foot move a little. When I turn inside the tray, like a tray, and my heel, pick up my right foot and pivot in, then push out, become a hook. The reason I pivot in because I'm going to push to the left and single whip to the left. So I have to pivot in. That's the basic Tai Chi walk. Okay? And from here, pick up the right foot and step out, circle, and push out, make the hook. See, when you make the hook, that's the time. This is one pose. And then step. Separate your hands. See, your right hand do not too high and between your ear and shoulder. And this, the hand, the left hand is right in front of your chest, and do not hide your eyes. As you turn, your hands and your whole body never stop moving. Once you ready for the next move, you can have a really short stop, but it's not really stop, it's ready for the next move. And in your mind, you feel that that's the pose. Look at here and circle out, that's one pose. And then turn, that's the end of the pose. That's the position. When you get to here, pointed to, that's a little short step, beginning point, separate to the left. So, and also the breathings. Breathings. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. So, whatever you feel comfortable, go with your breathings. Let me turn around and you follow me and practice. So this is just opposite to the right, and this is the left, and you can practice at the same time left and right. So this is called 单边, 左单边, 右单边. Okay, and thank you very much. 谢谢。